to build an itinerary or a course, call it as you wish, for your Coros watch, you will need to go inside the Coros application. Note that there is absolutely no way to create an itinerary from the app, straight from the app. What you will need to do is to reach that shield just right here, and then go into settings right there, and third-party apps, and link it with an application that can create course. Of course, you can do it with Strava, but I will do the example with Komoot because the application is very well made and is free. So let's go inside Komoot. Well, just before, you need to sync it with Komoot. So you will come here and you will input your email address and password to log in inside Komoot. So the next step will be to create that itinerary inside the Komoot application. So you come just right here and you will press on plan at the very lower left corner. Then you can select the activity you want to do. Is it cycling, hiking, running, walking, whatever? You choose the activity you want to do. So let's say that I want to do, running. So you come right here inside the application and you set a start point. So let's say that I want to start running from here. So I say start here, and then you want to end up, let's say for example, right there. So we want to go there and set this as a endpoint, and now I have an itinerary. So I can use the navigation inside Komoot, but of course that is not what I want to do. So I will hit save, and I will give it a name. So let's say how to example, and then I'm gonna hit save like that, and now it's saved. You will want to come back here, and you see here it says it has been synced at that time, so it probably sync once or twice a day. Actually it didn't sync today because we are on February 2, so it synced yesterday in the evening, and you will have to wait for it to sync so you can send it to your watch. Now the way to send it would be to if you come here on the three-dot menu and you export the GPX file, you could download it to your phone and then upload the activity to Coros. So you would be able to open the file and then send the file to Coros. That would be another way. But if you want to do it simple, well, you just wait for it to sync, and then what you will want to do is to come on the lower right corner on the watch, just right here, and you will want to come inside route, my route, right there, and you say import from library. Inside your library, you will have all the route from your linked application. So actually you see some of my route from Strava and from Komoot. Actually this one is from Komoot, this one is from Komoot, and I can say, well, maybe I want to use this one, is actually from Komoot, I think. So I select it and it will send that route. You say sync with your watch. So I've got my route just right there, and I can sync it with the watch, and it will send it to the Vertix 2. Choose your device. Actually, you can see it is uploading it to the device, and it's loading just right here. And now the activity is inside the watch. You can have up to 10 route inside your watch and no more. So actually here you see I have my 2 route. I can swipe to left to make that delete show up if you need to make some space. So that was the part for the for the app. Now when you do start an activity, so let's say that was running. It wasn't running, so I will start running activity. But you can be walking or whatever, and before you start the activity, let's zoom a little bit on this watch. Okay, you can come into settings and navigation and choose from the activity that was synced to your watch. So I can start this one and start the course, or if you just ignore that and you just want to start the activity, so start the activity. Actually, there is no GPS because I'm inside. But if you want to start the navigation, you can press and hold the lower button and navigate with the crown up to navigation. And from here, you can select a course. And maybe I want to do that one. So I hit that one, start course. Actually, still no GPS. And you will be able to follow that trail. If you press on the crown, you will be able to zoom in and out to see where you are. And no, the map is not the strongest point of Coros Watch. So yeah, that's how you build a course or an itinerary on a Coros Watch. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.